Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. My name is Navid and yeah, this is Hyperpix. I'm back with another beautiful hyper realistic Chrome text effect that you probably have never seen like this before for Adobe Photoshop. And this template will transform your logo and your text to a Chrome text effect, and it's only going to take 5 minutes of your time to see how this works for your logo and your text. If you want to download this, all you gotta do is go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and download this and hundreds of other text effects. So, before anything else, I've got to tell you that you can use this text effect in almost any language. Here is a Japanese version of this. You can see the details. Just it's beautifully done. And so, don't worry about your language. This style is just for you. Okay, to edit this, right click on the yellow layer and select Edit Content. And in the new window, do the same thing, Edit Content. Okay, here, double click on each text and just type whatever you want. Just like that. You can change the font actually. So you can change the font, you can change the letter spacing. For example, I'm gonna select another font. This is a black font. This is a bold, strong font that you can use this and this text effect and will give you the best result. Okay, there's our font, there's our text. I think it's done. So close the window and select yes. There it is. This is the first set of effects. Okay? Okay. Close this window too and select yes. There it is. Look at the result. Easily done. Look at the detail. This is professional done. All you gotta do is just take a look at those beautiful details. Okay, I'm gonna show you how this works layer by layer. First folder, sparkles. Just like most of our products, we got sparkles all over our design. We put them on the shiny parts of our design, and it gives us a reflective look. It gives us a shiny look and makes it super attractive. Okay, I'm not gonna bore you with the rest of them, but you make sure you take your time. And if you didn't like them, if you don't want them, all you gotta do is just delete them. Okay, next one is lines. We got two lines at the bottom, at the top of our design. You can just change them, resize them, remove them, or disable them. It's totally up to you. It's just for the decoration. Okay, next one is the styles folder, which contains the structures and the technical parts of our design. Skip this one, and let's go to the next one. We got two lights at the back in the background. As you can see here, double click on each icon, and from color overlay, you can change the color actually, just like the video. There it is, no brainer. We can have this as transparent too. All we gotta do is disable sparkles, lines, lights, and the background. There it is. You can see this in a very sharp and beautiful version and transparent version of your logo that you can use in any project that you want. There it is. I think we're done with this text, right? But I promise you something else, that I will transform a logo to this Chrome text effect. So let's see how this done. Okay, right click on the yellow layer and select Edit Content. Just like the previous time, do the same thing again, and in the final window, import your logo here. Okay, import it here. There it is. Remove one of the text layers. We're gonna apply this gradient on our logo. Just drag and drop the FX icon on our logo, or you can just copy layer style and paste it on your logo layer. There it is. And position it in the middle. And yeah, it's good. Close the window and select yes. And here, so I'm gonna change the some part of our design. Okay, if I save it, that would be the result. This style is designed for bold phones. You might gonna have some problems, or you might have like a messy look. But if you don't want that, go to style folder and select the second folder. And from the bevel and emboss, you can change the size. Look at the window. You can change the size so you have less boldness. If you save it here, you can see the difference here. Now, there it is. You see? They're related to each other. So change the bevels and you're gonna have different results. So you can see, and it's gonna give you less messy, or so you can customize it by your ideas. Okay, close it, and here. So there is our logo. Our text effect has been applied to this. We're gonna put the sparkles where they should go. I'm not gonna bore you with every single one of them, but you make sure you're doing this one by one. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to download this, go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and download this right now and get access to all of our text effects. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching this.